Yo, what is up, everybody? Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Rebel, your hair is a mess again. Well, I know. That's why I'm trying to get it done since I didn't comb it today. And, for most actual things, I'm not really going to go for a full big old style today. I'm just going to do a complete slip back. But that's okay because I got something new to show you guys. So, yes, I wear glasses sometimes. Let's go to my room. I'll show you guys my new thing I just acquired. Now, it came from my good friend Shirley Sue. Actually, she is my roommate's girlfriend. Here it is, guys. First real switchblade that I've actually gotten. Yep. This is actually a very nice one, the wood handling and whatnot. Kind of tough to close. I'm not used to having that. So technically now I have two well actually I should say two actual knives that were very popular back in the day. Plus my stiletto. So I actually have two of very nice or very popular in the 50s, especially when they racer culture. These two right here. This one here though is probably gonna be my favorite. Just because, I'm really into switchblades. And whatnot. So yeah, she gave me this today. Gotta be very careful with it. It's got a lock on it, so when I put it in my pocket, I push it up. That locks it. Because if you don't lock it, if you know with switchblades, you don't lock it, man, it could come open in your pocket, and if you're not being careful, you're gonna get hurt. So there's that. Another thing too. I've been here to show you guys this. She also gave me this. I think this is kind of cool. Now, this right here, this rock, it lights up, and with the thing here, the controller, you can look at this. Turn it off. All right, turn it back on. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Huh? How about that? Huh? It's pretty cool, huh? I only really use it at night, honestly. It's sort of like a little night light, if you will. My room is not very clean right now, and that's a problem because I'm supposed to clean it up and I just haven't got around to it. So, kind of just been, not around. There's my closet, and there's my laundry strip. Oh, excuse me, my jacket. My favorite. But yeah, I thought you guys would like to see that. That's like my newest acquirement. So there's that. So also, pockets on this stuff. I like to say, for those of you who did watch my channel, the Thursday Thought, as mentioned on the channel itself now, I didn't really have, I don't know what I'm doing right now. I didn't really remember the password or anything to it. So if you're looking for me on the other YouTube channel, you'll look up Brandon Miller Thursday Thought. There's only one video on there right now. Next Thursday there'll be another one. I'm gonna actually recover some of the thoughts I've already recently covered, because I've also got better information now. So there's that. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to show the new switchblade and my rock and whatnot. I will be back soon with another video. So until next time, stay greasy, cats. Stay sexy, cheeks. Be cool and keep it rockin', Billy.